Hello there. So in this video, we're going to be talking about how to enroll in Truist online banking with your mobile. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So as you can see, I've just opened my Truist application, and this is going to be the welcome page for you as well. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the register now option right down here where it says don't have a Truist user ID yet. Once you've clicked on that, you're going to be on this page right over here. You can either set up a personal banking, set up business banking, or even if you don't have any account, you can click on open account as well. In this case, we're going to click on set up personal banking. Now, once you've done that, simply go ahead and enter any one of these information. So if you're comfortable with account number, simply go ahead and enter that, your social security number, zip code, and email, and click on continue. And they're going to send you a verification code to the email that you provided, and they'll let you create a profile by entering a username and a unique setup password. So that is it. I hope this video clarified everything that you need to know. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.